Woo! I'm back! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Paper Tiger. If you're new here, my name is Steven, and today, boys, we're going to be taking this bike and this bike to a car show. It's going to be a pretty good show. This is the Trinity Lutheran Annual Car Show, and last year it was really cool. So I just finished washing up the two bikes. They look decent. But I heard that there's a meet going on near the car show at the stadium, so I'm gonna go see what that's all about. All right, yeah, this looks like fun. I'm just gonna follow this GTO in. C8. Oh, startup never gets old. Hot Wheels 15th anniversary. Wow. Look at those canards. Yes. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. All you need to make a romance bloom is a little bit of love and a Louisiana moon. All you need to make a romance bloom is a little bit of love and a Louisiana moon. I'm back. We just had a delicious lunch. These two brave gentlemen are coming with me to the show so we can bring the bikes. Sunglasses have been acquired, and I think we're all ready to go. Let's do this.
A few moments later.
All right, we got the tandem and the pedal car over here.
We have somebody looking for a wrong quarterback.
All right, let's go take a look around. The way this guy has his hood popped up, I've never seen anything like that before. It's just hovering. Okay, it's not hovering, it's supported, but I've never seen anything like that before. It's kind of creative. Timmy, go stand next to that wheel for scale. That tire's bigger than him. The Rampage again one more time. It's so clean too. It's dashboard? What's on the dashboard? Oh, it's all carbon.
Is that real carbon fiber?
I think so, yeah. That's so cool. What?
Yeah, that's really
Oh my gosh. What's in the bed? Here's your fuel cell, fuel tank, or fuel cell. I think in racing they called fuel cells. I could be mistaken on that. Dodge Rampage. That is so cool. Is that a Jaguar E-Type?
nice Mustang.
It is a nice Mustang. Really clean Mustang. Oh, let's go. Let's go. That's so cool. Jaguar E-Type. What year is this? 1971 Jaguar E-Type. With the V12. Good gosh, that's so cool. What? Quad exhaust tips. Oh my gosh. I love it. I think it was worth coming down here, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, Colbus, watch out, watch out.
Whoa.
Yeah. Nice. It's a really cool looking AMX. Wow. Spirit AMX. Okay. Such a cool color.
Yeah.
Wow. All these decals are amazing. Wow. This thing is so cool. Wow.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Rare, never titled 1979 AMC AMX has gone more than 4 decades without leaving its original dealership. And then it must have finally been registered, and now it's out. That's really cool. It's such a cool car. I love the body kit too. This is a crazy RX-7. Lambo doors. It never gets old. That's so cool.
Wow.
Nitrous! Nice. Oh, shoot. He's banging now. Good gravy.
What are these?
That's nitrous. It's a boost. Wow, I love this thing. You don't see a lot of RX-7s out here. This one's kind of built for show. It's got a V8 in it. Porsche 924 and 914. I don't know Porsches very well. I'm just reading off their little placards. But this one's pretty cool, actually. I do like this paint. It's very cool. And he's got a little model of it on the dashboard.
Car wash.
Horsepower
A
obsessed
bikini
over
car
here.
wash and a McDonald's gift certificate
Blackout
donated by
Tinting
Mike's
Lamborghini.
Car Lot.
And then there's this truck.
Oh yes, this is the rich.
This is the crazy truck. Looks like it's still under construction just a little bit. Just a little bit, it's fine. I do love this truck.
Cool. I like the Lambo doors.
Yeah. This is a really cool Porsche. It's a 911 Turbo. What year is this? 1986 930. Oh, yeah, we better get off the street. It's probably smart. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. Oh, it sounds so cool. It's a C8.
Oh yeah.
Another C8 with a red interior. Whoa. Very nice. You're just getting exclusive access here. How is it?
It's really nice.
That's awesome, dude. What they basically just said they're gonna do is they're gonna pull the monster truck forward, and then they're gonna have that Porsche 914 drive underneath it. So that should be interesting. How did they get that thing out here? He's bumping the tree. Holy cow. Here comes the Porsche. Yo, horsepower. What's up, man? Good. I gotta get the startup. Yeah? I'm gonna get the startup.
Ready to hear this, baby? Ask Grandpa Doug.
Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, dude. See you, buddy. All right, we went down to the other meet. We're posted up next to our neighbor's BMW. It's pretty cool. Beautiful. Oh gosh. Oh, nice. Yes.
as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. That would help me out quite a lot. It always does. Don't mind me, I'm on a ski lift. Got some boys back here. They're chilling. It's gonna be a little windy. We'll see if this actually works as an outro. But I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day, everyone, and bye-bye.